Today we are working on PowerPoint lesson 4, the first lesson, inserting charts. So this is what you should have open. On the Home tab in the Slides group, click Layout and change the slide to a title only. Click the Insert tab. In the Illustrations group, click Chart. Select Clustered Column as the chart type. Click OK. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. We now have an Excel spreadsheet. Click in cell B1, and type haunted sites. H-A-U-N-T-E-D, sites. Press tab, celebrity, burial, sites, press tab, and Halloween tours. Click in cell A2 and we're going to type the following values. So this is going to be QTR1. Press the tab key. 1845, tab, 945, tab, 1211. And you see as we type these numbers, it's going to put it in the chart. Q2, 1957, 1011, 1315, QTR3, tab, 2145, tab, 844, tab, 1211, QTR4, tab, 2328, 901, and 845. Alright, you should, when you finish entering the data, click the close button for the data sheet window. So we will close it. Alright, go to the next step. Click the Design tab. In the Chart Design. Click Change Chart Type. Click Line. Move this over. Click Line. They're just showing you samples of what it would look like. Click Pie. And then click Bar. Click Column. And on the top row, click 3D Clustered Column. And click OK. On the Charts Layout group, click Quick Layout. Point at various layouts to see how the chart layout can be adjusted quickly. So you see as you hover over these, it changes. And then go to Layout 9. Mark that as answered. Go to the next one. Create a new title and content slide. So go Home, New Slide, Title and Content. Click Insert, Chart, and accept all the default of a clustered column, and click OK. And wait for it. In cell B1, we're going to type Dublin Tours. tab, San Francisco tours, tab, Perth tours, press enter, and then enter the following data for the rest of the chart. So right here is going to be spring, 278, 345, 145, summer, 546, 511, 235, fall, 202, 244, 202, and winter, 97, 123, and 76. You can see all that filled in, and then close the Excel window. On the Chart Tools Design tab, in the Data group, click Select Data. And then we're going to click Switch Row Column. And then click OK. So then look at your chart to see how the data is switched. Now tours is in the data series instead of the seasons. When you click Select Data, the Select Data Source dialog box and Data Grid window open. You may have to move it around so you can see your changes, which you saw me do. So click on the Design tab and then click Switch Row Column. That switches back to the original layout. So now we are going to add some stuff. So click in cell E1 and type England Tours. And press enter. Type 265, enter, 483, enter, 162, enter, 91, and press enter. So close the Excel window and note the data in the chart has been updated to reflect the new tour. You can see that it added England to that. So let's mark that as answered. Go to the next one. Click Slide 1 and select the chart. In the chart design, click More. Point at some of the styles and you'll see how it would affect it. Click Style 8. Style 8, and it applies that chart style. Click the chart element, chart title element, and press delete. We deleted that. Click both of the axis title boxes and delete these as well. So right here where it says axis title, we're going to delete that. Click axis title here and delete that one. On the Chart Tools Design tab, in the Layout group, click Add Chart Element. Right here. Click the Data table and then click With Legend Keys. Now you've added the data table with a legend. You can delete the original chart element legend. So click the legend at the bottom and press delete. On the Chart Tools Design tab in the Chart Styles group, click Change Colors. And then in the Colorful Palette, click Colorful Palette 4, which is this one right here. Click Slide 2. Click the chart to select it. And then change the chart styles, chart design. We want it to be 7. Style 7. Change colors. Colorful palette 4. Like the other one. so they match. Isn't that lovely? Step 5, if necessary, click slide 2. So click slide 2 and press Control D. And that duplicates that slide. So click your slide 3, click the chart to select it. Then on the Design tab, click Select Data. And in the Select Data window in the Series list, click the checkbox for San Francisco Tours to turn this off. And then do the same for England Tours, turning both of those off. And then in the Categories list, click the Spring and Summer options. And then click OK. And then close this. PowerPoint no longer shows the deselected items, so you can see that it's just got these two things. To display these items again, open the Select Data Source window and turn on the filters for the item. So that's all you would do, is you would click that and then you would check those boxes. So mark that as answered. Go to the next one. So let's create a new title only slide. So new slide, title only. Using Windows Explorer, navigate to your resource folder and open the Bicycle Tours chart. So if you go to your Jasper Active folder, and it's in your resource files, and open the Bicycle Tours chart. Select the chart and click Copy. Return to your presentation with the charts. On the Home tab in the Clipboard group, click the arrow for Paste and then Paste Special. Select Paste Link. Click Microsoft Excel Chart Object and then click OK. The chart will appear in the new slide under the title placeholder. So click up here and type Bicycle Tours. And then select the chart. Note that the Chart Tools tabs do not display because the chart was pasted as a chart object. So click Shape Format, click the Size and Position dialog box launcher. That opens the Format Object Task pane. In the Size category, clear the Lock Aspect Ratio checkbox, so uncheck that. And then change height to 5.11, width to 8.5. In the Position category, change horizontal position to 1 and vertical to 1.8. Close the Format Object pane. Return to the Excel file. click the chart title. Change it to bicycle tours and make it bold. And then save and close the Excel file. So then click File, Save. File, Save. And now close it. Mark that as answered. Go to the next one. Save. Save as. And browse. Go to your My Projects folder. And name it Tours Chart Final.pptx and click Save. And this completes, mark it as answered, and this completes this first lesson of lesson 4.